Yeah, Mr. Will Thomas, Eviction Just and UnjustRent.com. Eviction Just and UnjustRent.com. Go to it. You'll see what's going on. You'll see. But check this out. We up here on the roof. I'm going to get off that, but we on the roof. And don't forget the Home Depot. And don't forget Executive Home Repair LLC. Executive Home Repair. I said LLC. We up here walking. Tree limb fell. Roof damage, wind damage. Shingles missing. All kind of stuff. Got a top over him. Got a hole where a tree intruded in the roof. Man, this is some serious stuff. There's always something serious. And you got to take it serious. And when you repair it, you got to repair it. Be serious about repairing it. If not, you might well don't do nothing. You might well be a bum. If you talk about being in this business, Executive Home Repair, we'll get it done. We will get it done. Get her done, bud. Look at this. Yeah. Got some bad spots, pop-up nail, all kind of stuff. They're gonna be okay. This is Executive Home Repair signing out. Hey, you'll see me again. I told you that. I tell you that every time. Just remember, Home Depot, Executive Home Repair LLC, and me and Mr. Will Thomas. Signing out.